Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. It's getting busy here, the cars are coming, and I will always have a lot of interesting stuff about the cars for you. You can see I'm replacing front rotors on this, 93 Oldsmobile, and the reason is one of the brake pads scraped this rotor. It was outer brake pad, right? The reason is the sliders weren't working correctly, right? So one of the pads was wearing improperly and damaged the rotor. So I'm replacing rotors, and I want to point out something to you what not everybody knows. And this is how you get the rotor, right, from the parts store. It's nicely wrapped in that plastic, and what some of you might not realize, it has a special protective coat on it to prevent any rust while it's sitting somewhere in the storage. And now comes the warning. You first have to use some kind of brake cleaner to completely clean those surfaces before installing it in its place and putting those brand new brake pads. It's extremely important that you remove that protective coat. Because if you don't, that break-in period when they first touch the rotor, right, all that goo from it will get in it and they will just not start working properly, and it will be a problem. So please, always when you have brand new rotors, remove that protective coat. You can feel it's kind of sticky. And that's all from me. Make sure you are subscribed because I have way more videos coming your way soon. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day, my friend.